Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a car dealer website on Wix. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account for completely free. All you'll need to do is sign up using either your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. On this dashboard, I want you to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to tap on Build on the Wix editor. Once you have done that, I want you to tap on Set Up Without Chat. And you're going to be redirected to this page. And on the search bar, you're going to type in car dealer, and you can see it right there. You can select car dealership. Then you will tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can add in your business name right here. So for example, I'll call it Jason Cars. So let me type that in right here real quick. I'll call it Jason Cars. Then we'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, do you already have an online store? And I'm going to select No. Then tap on Continue once more. Then from here, what kind of products are you selling? Obviously, we will be selling physical products, so we're going to tap on physical products right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on Continue. Then from there, you can choose your sales channel. So you can choose whether you like persons to be able to purchase your car through the online website which you are setting up right now, and in person. So we are going to be selecting in person also, and we're going to tap on Continue, then tap on Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, what I want you to do next, so this is your dashboard at the moment, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option, and from the left hand menu option you can select Catalog. After selecting Catalog, you're going to be redirected to the Products page, and this is where you'll be able to add the pictures of your cars that you're selling. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the sample pics. So you're going to tap right here, and then you're going to tap right where you see More Actions, and from there you can tap on Delete. After you have deleted it, you're going to tap on New Product, and we're going to select Physical Product. After selecting physical product, from here you can tap on Add Image. After selecting Add Image, you will tap on Upload Media in the top left hand corner, and then you will be able to upload an image of the car or cars that you're planning to list. So let's say for example I were to use a copyright free image, so I'm just going to select car, and let's say for example's sake I were to use this image just for example's sake. Then tap on Add to Page, and you can also add videos if you want. Then you can scroll down, add in the car name, so I'll just call it test car. Then from there you could add a quick description, and if you like to add additional information, for example the specs about the engine and different features of the car, you can add it right here. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you'll be able to set the price that you're selling it for. You can also choose whether you'd like to add a sale price, and you can also put the price that you purchased it for right here, so you'll be able to calculate your profit margin. And if it is a case that you would like to add any custom text field, so anything that you would like to ask customers, or you would like customers to be able to ask you, you can add it right there. And you can also scroll down and you can add more product options if you want. And by the way, if you would like to turn on inventory tracking, you can toggle that on right there. Once you're finished setting it up, you will scroll back up, and from here you can simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner. So now you have listed your first car, and you can continue listing more cars if you want. And then once you're finished, you're going to tap on Getting Paid in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. After selecting Connect Payment Method, depending on the country you're located in, you're going to see different payment options. Because I'm located in Jamaica at the moment, these are the payment options that I have. But if I were to change my location by tapping right where you see Jamaica, and let's say for example change it to Canada, you'll realize that I'm now presented with more payment options that I can offer my customers. So let's do that real quick. So you can see I'll be able to use Wix payment, and by selecting see more payment options, I can offer Klarna, Afterpay, and so much more. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. So now I've shown you how to add the cars, also how to set up the different payment options. What you're going to do next is you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on set up. After selecting set up, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner, then tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you'll be redirected to this page, and this page is the theme page, and with these themes you'll be able to create a stunning and professional looking website in no time. So let's say we were to use this one. We'll tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're just going to give it a few seconds while your website is being rendered in the background. Once it is up and running, you could tap in the box right here and you could type in some information, then tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI would add content to your website. But normally I would just close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can start editing your website. So I'll tap on category in the top left hand corner and go onto the home page. Once on the home page, you can start editing it. So for example, I can go hover over the header section, then tap on quick edit, and I'm going to change the title to Jason's car. So let's do that. So I'll do that right here, Jason cars. Then you can also change the phone number, so you could tap on the text right there. And if it is a case that you would like to change the strict background, you can do that. Once you're finished, you'll scroll down, and from here I could change the image right here if I wanted to by tapping on quick edit. Then you could select change and you could change the image if you want. And that's basically it. All you'll need to do is scroll down and select the section that you would like to edit, and you can quickly do that. And you can see how it looks right there. So you can see it right here, and you can see different pictures of different cars, and you could select this, then tap right where you see quick edit. After selecting quick edit, you'll go over to the right hand menu option, and from there you can edit the text. You have added the cars that you want, the images right there. You can tap on view all deals, and you could change the button text if you want, and you can also tap on the link, and then you'll be able to redirect them to a particular page, as you can see right here. And talking about pages, to view all the pages on your website, you can tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu, and from here you can see the menu layout. So for example, you have the pre-owned page, you also have the financing page right here, and this is one of the reasons why I recommend Wix. As you can see, they have all of the necessary pages that you would expect on a professional car dealership website. So all you need to do is simply fill in the necessary information. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. Thanks for watching.